Why agile delivery has become so common? Well, let's look at the traditional ways of doing things. You know the drill. You spend months or even years on requirement gathering, design, build, testing, and then finally launching a project. By the time it's live, the market has probably moved on, and you are left wondering why your perfect project isn't landing. This traditional approach worked fine before the digital age, when the world didn't change as fast as Taylor Swift drops albums. But now, my friend, the game is different. We are living in a highly dynamic world. Agile lets you adapt to this dynamicity. Hang on, it's not an excuse to keep changing your mind every week, although some people think it is. There is a process to it, one that keeps the chaos in check. Let me share a story to explain. Back in 2013, I was leading a global rollout program. Agile wasn't exactly mainstream then. So we were stuck with the good old traditional approach. We started strong, everyone was happy, but then reality hit. During the development phase, we discovered project challenges, which led to awkward negotiations with the business to adjust their processes. By the testing phase, the market had already moved on, so more changes were needed. Long story short, we extended timelines, blew the budget, and delayed the launch. Let's say it wasn't exactly a happy story. Looking back, I didn't even know Agile was an option. Call it unconscious incompetency. If could redo that project today, I would approach it completely differently. First, I would shift from project mindset to a value-based product mindset. Here is how I would do. Step 1. Build a product team. That means a product manager, the boss of priorities, and set of product owners based on how many Scrum teams we need. Step 2. I will add solution architects to the mix along with developers, testers, and other key players. Step 3. I will get the product manager to create a prioritized list of functionalities. This will form the minimum viable product that can be launched. Next, I would form a couple of Scrum teams, and with them, I will create a joint plan for a quarter and get the team focused on the delivery of minimum viable product. This plan is going to be a joint plan between the Scrum teams and the product owner. Here's the beauty of this approach. The product manager can decide to launch sooner. For example, after 2 quarters, the product might be good enough to be launched, and we can roll out additional features in later releases. This way, we can catch issues early, fix them faster, and adapt to changes without throwing the whole plan in the shredder. And guess what? By working together, IT and business teams avoid blame game, rather focus on joint accountability for the success of the product and value to the customer, and in turn, value to the whole organization. This quarterly planning process is called PI planning in safe terminology. Agile isn't a buzzword. It's the secret to delivering value faster, staying flexible, and keeping your sanity intact. So learn how to create agile mindset and culture in your organization before going and implementing it.